Good morning. Welcome to a grey, cloudy, wet morning in Perth. Here we have what appears to be a white-tailed black cockatoo at the top of the tree, directly over the road from me. Oh, I saw something flying overhead and up came the crest. Unfortunately, it's about as close as I can get. I may get rained on. So he might be one of the rarer ones that we get around here, called the Ibis Black Cockatoo. I'm sure he's got mates up there, but I just cannot see them. I don't tell a lie, but I have found a crow, which is one of the birds that flew overhead, somewhere in there. No, absolutely hopeless today. It always helps if you look in the right spot. There's our crow. And our cocky is still just making some plaintive noises up there. Well, I'm going to go in before the camera gets wet and I get wet too. Bye for now. I can see 3 species of bird in there. Top right hand corner. Oh, okay, we'll start with the one that just flew in. Spotted dove. And its mate. That one is a wattler or a red wattle bird that didn't stay around for long, but went up there in the end. And right, no, another wattle bird, wattler. Down here a little bit. There's a Willy Wagtail. And there were some Australis honeyeaters in there. But they seem to have shot through. So the Willy Wagtail took the place of the Australis honeyeaters. And of course you can never see one when you want to. What would they call it on Safari Live? A bird party? Although they're not feeding, they're just sitting there and preening. Probably got a little bit damp. Oh, hello. Australis honey eater. There. Or is it? Or is it a singing honey eater? Oh, too hard to tell. A little bit of yellow. That's a singing honey eater. He's also doing some preening. It's very humid and damp today. We had a big thunderstorm last night. I really want to see the Australis come in. They don't seem to want to at the moment. I can hear lorikeets flying around over the road. There were some cockies over the road, some black cockatoos. But that's the neighbour's tree for you. I can see some white cockatoos flying, but of course they're going to fly nowhere near where I can point this camera. That would have been good. I can hear them. You probably can't. I might have to put this little sort of bird video together today. I've had a look at what I've got and it's not fantastic. I've got a black duck, I've got a banded plover, I've got these three, I've got a peewee or magpie lark or what else have I got on there? There's a bit more of Willy Wagtails. There's a rainbow lorikeet and black cockatoo. Okay, I'm not very far from home. I have some Australian white ibis in a park. And also, when they'll come out to play, a number of white cockatoos. Or Corellas. Which I haven't shown you before. And they look like I'm not going to be able to show them to you now because it's all over the place. Okay, we've got one now. The ibis are making a bit of a noise over on my left there. This cocky's actually quite quiet for a white cockatoo. So there's our ibis. And somewhere in there are more cockatoos. Doing what they do best, destroying trees. Can hear them now. crow making a noise on my right. There's some honey eaters above me. Some lorikeets just going into the tree. Now one of the cockies has joined the Ibis. And they're all just happily moving around next to the road there. Crow making a din. Well, that's pretty good. That sort of caps off a reasonable morning. See branches flying out of there. Quite raucous, these cockies, when they get in full flight. Here's a noisy crow. Just letting everyone know he's not happy about something. So many birds just in this one little park this morning. Quite good.